whisper calls, a shadow bends through quiet winds. The soul ascends a desert sky, a single star. I wonder who we really are. The earth, it trembles under prayer, a voice so soft it fills the air. Ya Allah, guide me through the night, through the storms, to the path of light. My heart is heavy, my hands are bare, but I find you there. A tear it falls, a river flows, the heart it breaks, the spirit grows. Through trials deep, through endless pain, the sun returns after